Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You are in the middle of a project. You ask Copilot a question, and suddenly you get a message. You have reached your usage limit, but you have barely used it today. You are a pro subscriber. So why is this happening? This is a common issue that frustrates many users. According to Microsoft documentation, Copilot Studio usage limits depend on the specific plan type that you are using and the number of messages, while Copilot Pro has a daily cap on the number of messages you can send. Some users have reported their free daily limit being reached in just 10 to 15 minutes of work, which feels absurd. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about the solutions for this type of situations. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, you have to understand the different limits. Microsoft has different usage limits for different Copilot versions. So your limit depends on what you are using. Copilot, the standard free version, uses a daily messaging cap like many other chatbots. So Microsoft doesn't publish exact numbers, but the Copilot Pro subscribers get a higher daily messaging cap than free users. But there is still a cap. And here we go. For the Copilot Studio, limits are based on the plan type. For example, pay as you go versus monthly, measured in messages and sessions. So you have to check if you have the correct account and subscription. Make sure everything is looking good. Then you have to wait for the daily reset. After this, just basically go restart the app and reuse Copilot again. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.